Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be talking about the remnants of Agatha that might become Alex. So, near the Yucatan Peninsula in southeastern Gulf of Mexico, right here, right where you see the red, a large area of disturbed weather is possible or has developed near the Yucatan Peninsula. um, due to the remnants of Agatha interacting with a upper leverage, upper lev. I ain't gonna try and say that. And it's most likely to become a tropical depression by Friday and impact the Yucatan Peninsula. Yes, there will be a live stream of that. And then it will still cause some strong winds and heavy rain, which could include some mudslides and some flash flooding possible. So, if you look at this, hold on, I gotta zoom in. Okay, so we have multiple tropical waves. That's why I never use that. So we have multiple tropical waves. If you look back on the true color satellite imagery, the first tropical wave is right here. We have the remnants of Agatha, of here near the Yucatan Peninsula and the Bay of Campeche. Then we got another tropical wave down here above, I believe that is Colombia. So sea surface temperatures, we are seeing some decent sea surface temperatures, with temperatures all along its track. Roughly 26 to 28. 28 is great for development. Now let's look at the El Nino. We do see that has risen, but knowing this, it'll probably dip down again. Here's the forecast analysis from the GFS. So we do see, well, this is the CONUS view, or the continental United States view. But we can still see the system deporting the Yucatan Peninsula, impacting Cuba, affecting the coastline of Florida. According to the GFS, I believe the Florida Strait is where the most development will occur. It will affect the South Florida, which could affect its strength. And then it just moves off. It becomes an extratropical cyclone. So we do have a reconnaissance to possibly go out June 2nd at 1:30 p.m. EST. There will be a live stream on that. So, have a great day. Stay safe. And bye-bye.